Hey everybody, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and yes, I bit the bullet. I bit the bullet, and the bullet has turned me into attempting to plan. Crystal, Tia, Robin, Shalene, this is my video that I wanted to show you that I bought 2 planners, and this will show you what I plan to do with them. Don't worry, if you're not a happy planner person, it's okay. Still watch this video because this is about somebody who doesn't plan and how she plans on, can I say plan? 18 million times more. How I want to use these for somebody who uses their iPhone and Outlook and everything digital. How in the world am I going to use these? Why am I going to use them, and why it's going to be fun for me. So I hope you enjoy this video and the ride it's going to take me on for 2022, and keeping track of my diamond paintings, my videos, my milestones with my daughter, my reading list, etc., etc. So enjoy this video, and I can't wait to see you. Let's flip the camera around. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and if you're watching this in real time, it is January 1st, 2022. And if you are watching this in the future, that's okay. Stay with me because this is about a rabbit hole of, oh my gosh, breaking open something I've never done before. Now, I will let you know, let me grab it over here without everything falling off. Last year, I tried to jump on the planning bandwagon, did a whole bunch of research, and finally bought a 6-month subscription to Silk and Sonder, and they send this out once a month. However, I never used it, and I didn't use it because I loved the layout, but I need something that's all together, not something that's monthly and I have to transfer from month to month to month. And after the first week, I lost interest. And I was on Crystal's channel, which I'll put the link down below. She's a wonderful YouTube friend of mine, and she does all things Happy Planner, as well as Shalene and Robin Loves Books, and a whole bunch of my friends. Tia, well, they do, I believe it's once a month, a Monday night planning. And she invited me on, and I decided to jump down the rabbit hole right there live. And I purchased this from Michael's because it ended up being $8. In the end, it was $4 for me because I had a $5 card from everything I had spent over Thanksgiving. Well, this is a vertical layout, which we'll talk about in a minute. However, as they were showing me, the way my brain thinks, I think in a dashboard layout. And so we're going to open this up. I have all my fun colored pens. I have a whole bunch of washi tape. Don't worry, I'm not planning right now with you guys. I just want to talk about my thoughts as somebody who doesn't use a planner as to why I'm going to use these. And I think I'm going to use these for my collabs, for things that I've done. Now, I use my phone, my calendar, my work calendar, different things like that for what I'm actually going to do in the future. Carrying these around would be difficult for me to pull out. I love writing down. I love all the colors. I did a planner for a long time, at least a calendar, not a planner, because before technology really took over. Now, because my husband and I and my daughter all have to be on the same page, we're using technology as much as humanly possible, as well as my work. But what I wanted to use these for was not only my channel, but things that I've accomplished, things that I've done, checklist. I love checklists, and by using all these beautiful colors, I can create these checklists, make sure, am I actually doing the crochet I want to do? Am I doing the diamond paintings I thought I'd do? Am I reading the books I wanted to read? What kinds of things? And then keeping track of them. Oh my goodness. How do you open this? The struggle is real. Let's get some scissors. Let's get some scissors. And I really like that they seal them like this. Oh, it's because it's attached here at the store so people don't wrinkle your pages. And this was $8 when I got to Michael's. And I bought it because it had the dashboard layouts. And so, here we go. But it is hard to see what you want to see. All right, let's remove this. Dun-da-da-da. Welcome to Happy Planner. And so these are the different, let me show you, the different layouts. So this is like a vertical, forgive the shadow. This is a vertical layout. So you've got your days of the week, and then you can write straight down. And then this is the dashboard layout. And what I liked is your week is over on one page, but this I can do my to-do list. And this is how I think. All right, let's cut this. I like the mini Happy Planner size. It's about half the size of an 8 by 11 sheet of paper. And I'm having a war over here. Woo, with, all right, so hello, and it belongs to, okay. So, and you can turn these inside out if you want. You can take these off if you didn't like the outside, and you could, you know, just have this plain. It's up to you. What's fun about this plain, which I didn't realize, is I could turn it inside out and then put stickers on it and have a lot of fun with that. I could put my logo sticker. Okay, so here are the years. This is kind of just a quick reference if I want to put birthdays of the family. This is January, so priorities, important dates, etc. So what I plan on doing, so this is, I probably won't use this one because here is where we are at right now, January 1st. And I didn't want to open this till January 1st with you guys. So this first week, I probably won't really use. But what's nice is I can keep it in case I need something down the road. All right, so I'll probably start here. And I love that it has like right here, Monday through Sunday, and then the days of the week. So I can write down who goes live, who I want to see, who I hashtag replayed, who I want to replay. I know like Rebecca, who's one of my dear besties, she goes every morning, and many times I don't get to her until midweek when I want my lunch breaks. And so I can write down which ones I've missed, which ones I want to do. What I plan on doing with Get It Done is any of the videos I want to post, like I plan on doing a 3-part series plus a bonus on how to store your canvases, both before you use them, like when you unbox them, while you're using them, and when they're completed. What's the best way to store them, different options, what works for you. So I can write those down, like noted. I can just, different errands. I plan on doing like my wish list. What do I want to purchase? What have I seen? And I can change all this around as I want. And so I'm very excited. Like, you guys don't understand. Once I saw this dashboard, it's like the light bulb went off of planning my channel. Also planning Instagram. I'm getting, you know, I said last year, one of the things I want to do is learn about stories. I did start to learn about like how to use highlights and files. And I need to get over with Life with Lindsay and have her give me a tutorial on stories. So I'm very excited about using this. Yes, so let's see. Is there any, sometimes there's fun stuff in the back. Like here's the notes. Okay, so that's just what it is. There's no, so I will have to look into potentially expansion packs if I want. But this is, I am very excited about. Over here, here's the same thing. I love that they have more of a simple, this is Brave. It's kind of stuck here with a glue dot. I'll have to figure out how to take that off. Have a brave heart, and then each month we have Trust Your Soul, Have a Brave Heart, You are amazing. So I haven't decided how I'm going to use this particular one. What I'm thinking of is using this more as my life of what projects behind the scenes I want to do, what books I want to read, what movies we've watched, maybe milestones with my daughter of, you know, when we make cookies or different things like that. I plan on using a lot of stickers. So this is not necessarily a how-to video, but this is just showing you, somebody who doesn't normally use planners, how I plan on doing this. So this will probably be more of my life checklist one, because it's not how I think in regards to planning things or checklist, but I can put pictures in, I can do washi tape, I can make little notes, things like that. I don't know how to find where just to buy like a dashboard insert. I looked at Michael's, Joann's, I looked at happyplanner.com. So if you are a happy planner person and you know where to buy just the dashboard inserts so I can like buy them and just stick them in here, I would love to know that. I know they sell things on Etsy, but I don't want to like buy the punches and different things like that. I don't want to have to try to print them off and cut them. Again, this is kind of a rabbit hole, but I'm not, this is more of just a way to organize versus having a happy planner forever and ever and ever. Amen. So I can't wait to start this. I told Crystal and Shalene and Robin and Tia that I would show them what I plan on doing after this video. After I get it uploaded, I plan on using my amazing colored pens and starting to work on just really having fun with this and using washi tape. And I hope to show you kind of where I went in the future with this. So thank you so much. I hope to do a video in a week or two real quick just to show you what I've done and to give you a sneak peek at some upcoming videos, because of course they'll be in my planner, and I'm still learning how to blur things out. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye bye.